Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
Bushy-tailed squirrel out here. What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Beautiful Monday morning. I'm out here for morning fix, y'all. Let's get it. Oh! Oh! What the heck is going on? This little guy having problems keeping altitude. Pretty sure it's not dead. Uh-oh. Let's see, I got snagged that time. Let's see, is there anything under the props? Nothing holding the props. I did get snagged just now though. Little guy does have altitude hold. It's not flashing. Does sound like something's up with the props though. Let me bring it in. See what's going on with the props. One of the props bent or something? Doesn't appear that any of the props are bent. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, maybe it's time to swap out the props. They don't appear to be bent, but they are making a weird sound. This guy usually sounds a lot better than what it's sounding like now, and it keeps losing altitude. Sheesh. Yeah, I don't know what the issue is with this little guy. I'm gonna try to bend the props upwards, see if that helps it any. Okay, I think that might have helped it. It's flying a little better now. So it didn't like the way the props were bent. See, the ultimate test would be another flip, I guess. Oh yeah, it did a flip and it didn't lose any altitude, so. Yeah, so it didn't look like the props were bent though. I bent all of the props upward, and that seemed to have fixed it. This thing is flying fast. It's still making a little weird sound though. Definitely has woken up though. See if we can get a flip going forward. Yep. The sun is blinding me here. Sheesh, I can barely see it. Oh. And I think I pulled down too much. That activates the emergency landing. And it just fell out of the sky on that one. I think the battery actually is dying now though. All that this little guy's been through in this flight has worn down the battery. Bird was about to get it. Well, it's landing on us. And that time it landed because of LVC. Quick morning fix, Syma X20. Thanks for watching.